Alrighty guys, we got a Donkey Stomper, old school X-Force version. When we very first started Donkey Stomper, X-Force was building them for us. This BDS 4-pill. Long story short, everybody give me a hard time about having X-Force build them, and that's what made me start building them. And it worked out good. That's a good little box. This was a DEI box. Alright, I traded for this in Manchester and sold it in Manchester. But I never checked it out. Turns out it was a problem, so the guy sent it back to me. I'm gonna fix it for him, mail it back to him. I got it fixed. But here's a test review. This DEI's now 4-pill Donkey Stomper. Input SWR radio driven. Worldwide. It's nearly nothing. It's real good. Output tuning radio driven. Worldwide. Radio drive. 400-watt peak. 1, 2, hello. She's about 350 on that one. 1,000-watt peak radio drive. It's pretty close to the same, about 350. Alright. Now these are DIs. And we're just running 14.4 volts. Well, that's enough. That'll be enough for DIs. I'm going to turn on the Texas Star. I done got it all set up. Put about 150 peak in. Remember, you gotta keep your decky down. Now here's what's good on it. Reflect, output reflect, worldwide, nearly nothing. Input SWR is really good for driving it with the Texas Star. Let's see, 500-watt slug, worldwide, in the corner. 1,000-watt slug, worldwide, donkey stomper, worldwide, about 850, 900, worldwide, get on down, cheeseburger, get on down, cheeseburger. But she's all fixed up, ready to go. But she did have some problems. The guy out there, I'm gonna ship this bike to you, man. It ain't gonna cost you a dime. Like I said, I traded for this at Manchester, never got to test it and sold it. So, you know, I wasn't sure it was supposed to work good, but I wasn't sure what had been done to it or whatever. It did have a problem. So we got it fixed up. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed the video. Donkey Stomper. Old school first gen X-Force. Y'all have a good one. Your friend 10-0 Catch you later.